Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Yola for beginners in 2024. So today, we're diving into how to start using Yola. And of course, Yola is a user-friendly website builder designed to help you create some professional websites without any coding skills. So if you don't know how to code, Yola is the best thing for you. Whether you need like a professional blog, a business site, or even an online store, Yuga has you covered. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open your browser, go to this URL section. Basically, just type Yola and hit the enter button. You'll find yourself here. Click on this first link, which is Yola. Make a free website, as you can see, free to use. And once you click on it, you'll find yourself in their home screen or main screen like this. So if it's your first time, scroll down a little bit to understand more about their websites. And of course, if you're ready, you can simply just go and click on get started. If you want to even to explore the templates before like creating an account, you'll be able to. As example, you just have to answer some questions. So to give you like the templates that's going to suit your need, depending, as example, if you're going to use it for personal, business, online store, or community and organizations. Example, if we choose here personal, as you can see, they give us this template. If we go back and choose like business, they give us other templates. So depending on whatever you choose. So here's an example. For me, I'll just go, if you have an account, click on login. If you don't, click on get started to create a new account. And as you can see here, make sure to go and create your account, starting by entering your name, then your email address, and simply, or lastly, setting up a password. Then check this option, which is agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure to read it out if you care like about your info and etc., what they're doing with them, and a lot of other stuff that you may want to know. Then, of course, you'll have to check that I am not a robot. Once you do so, click on Start Building Your Website, and your account will be created without any problems. So, as you can see, once it's created, you'll be taken here to start building the website right away. As you can see, what type of website do you want to create? For example, depending on whatever you want. So, example, for me, I'll just do maybe a gaming blog or something like that. Then click on continue. Here, as you can see, they give you a lot of templates to choose from, depending on whatever you want. Maybe, as example, I'll just choose here random template. I don't know. Of course, you can choose or change from all personal to business. As you can see here, to online store, to community and organization, depending on whatever you want. For me, I'll just go here and click on all templates so I can discover templates more good. Maybe as an example, I like this one. I like black colors. So all I need to do, of course, I can click on preview before start using it. And if I like it, as an example, so if you click on preview, they'll show you everything about your website. And if you like it, you'll be, of course, you'll be able first of all to see it or preview it on desktop, tablets, and even phone. Because why? Of course, because if your website is good for the mobile and tablet users, this will increase your SEO ranking, and which will help you a lot. Of course, you can get through that again. So if you didn't like this, you can simply click on back and simply go and look for another like good template. And if you simply didn't find the thing that you want, I'll just go back to this one and click on preview as example. If I like it, all I need to do, click on use this template. So here you'll have to give it a name. So for me, I'll just name it Omics again. And the language website, I'll just leave it English as it is. Of course, here you can change the language to whatever you want. As you can see, there are a lot of languages. Then go and click on continue. As you can see, the project name, I'll just name it like Omics Test as an example. Then same as, or can simply set it same as site name. Then here you'll have to enter a brief introduction of your project. So as an example, they're giving you here just an example like welcome to my personal space where I share my journey as a freelancer photographer, dive into my portfolio, travel diaries, and stories behind each song. So for me, I'll just type just testing as an example. So just testing a gaming blog, as simple as that. Then click on finish setup. So once I do so, I'll have to wait a bit for the page until it load, and they should take me into the editor or the designer of Yola right away. So as you can see, get everything ready. I did nothing. I basically just answer one or two questions, fill up some information, choose a template, and my website will be ready to use. As you can see, as simple as that without any problems. So here, once you do so, it's time to start customizing everything that you want about this website. So this is your website right now. You can use it however you want, and you can customize it however you want. So start customizing your templates. whatever you want. As example, you didn't like the text, you can simply change like the font, you can change the site, you can change the colors as example. So click on settings of the specific block. As example, this block you can change the background of it, the appearance, the colors, the layouts, everything that you want. You can even add some blocks. As example, you need like some blocks if you didn't have. So an online store, maybe you want to add to your blog. Custom blog, as an example, you can create a custom blog. As an example, add some widgets with like a text, buttons, forms, icons, HTML code, of course, if you're good at it. If you're not good, simply you can just go and use ChatGPT. But as you can see, this feature will require from you to have a premium plan. So, example, if I go here and click on upgrade, I'll just show you. So, for the free plan, as you can see, you will have one site available. You'll be able to create one for free, and you will get 1 GB storage space. Of course, for others like features, as you can see, you'll not have like remove ads, custom code editing, and a lot of other stuff you'll not have. All you will have is simply the file size limit is going to be 5 MB, and the pages on websites two is going to be maximum. Multi languages is going to be 2 languages. So you can use, as an example, Arabic and English in the same time, and automatic site backup will be enabled, and you will get just some limited customer care. So this is for the free plan. As you can see, good for a beginner who is just trying out. So I don't advise you to go and pay for a plan until like you get used to it or you get good at it with the free. Then, of course, if you want to upgrade your plan, you can get the bronze, you can get the silver or gold, depending on the features that you want. As you can see, so they improve like the features if you get a better plan. As you can see here on the monthly plan, so if you pay annually, you pay less, but if you pay monthly, you'll pay more. Of course, if you pay annually, you'll have to pay like per year, so it's gonna be more than $14 or $5, or this six like this 91 cents and etc. So for me, I'll just go back to editor. So there's some things that you can add. Of course, you'll notice them by the star because it's gonna be all to require premium. So, for example, if you didn't like the block, you can always delete it. You can edit just the ones that's already exist. As an example, here you can switch even the block layout. As I said, you can switch the appearance and all the other stuff. Here you'll be able to get into the pages. So for me here, I have one page, but I can add another page if I want to. And as I said, for the free plan, you have just 2 pages. Here navigations, of course, you'll be able to navigate through a lot of stuff. So for me, I have one page, so I'll not be able, or I don't have things to navigate through. Here on the design, of course, you can change the design of the colors, example. So if you change the colors of the website will change. As example, you'll be able to change the fonts as an example. As you can see, a lot of fonts you have here, and even buttons. So you can choose like the buttons, how it look like, and a lot of other stuff like effects, templates, and etc. Then the store, if you want to add a store as an example, and here help in case you need any help doing something on Yola. So I guess like that's gonna be it. Of course, once you finish like customizing your website and you're satisfied, make sure to test everything out. Of course, how? By simply click on preview and keep clicking on stuff. So where this is gonna take us, if this button is working, etc. If everything is working, you can simply just go and click on publish to publish your site, as you can see. So preparing for launch, your website will be launched soon, and they'll publish it on this URL that they'll give you. Of course, you can simply just get your custom domain, and your custom domain, you can publish it on the custom domain that you got, and you will be good to go. So this is gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.